How you doing? So, if you are a beginner to affiliate marketing and you're looking for an affiliate marketing course, I've got something for you. But before I show you that, I want to talk about the two types of people that get into affiliate marketing. So, there's the first type of person that is really, now I'm going to say clueless in a good, not in a negative way, just obviously it's all new. If I went to try and learn a new language or something, or a musical instrument or whatever. It's new, right? It's all new. So when I say clueless, it just means you don't know what you don't know. So it's hard to find out what you need to know when you're just kind of looking for free resources and things online. But that will mean that some people, they kind of want to go and they want to learn it all, and that's obviously good. And some people just kind of want it all done for them, and that's good too. And it's not often you find both, in my opinion, right? So I'll talk you through the two options that we've got here. You might want to do one, you might want to do both, but I'll tell you where you can get a great, fantastic affiliate marketing course for $1. Just $1. I'll show you how you can get it now. Um, so the other thing, of course, is that a lot of the done for you options are great, but they're done for you to promote the particular thing. That's how it can be done for you. And if you are promoting an other business, whatever business that may be, then you might want to know how to go and generate leads and build lead capture pages and give away free bonuses and where to post and what's working now. So I'm going to talk you through the Home Business Academy. Um, I love the Home Business Academy, but where it falls short sometimes is that you got a little bit of setup to do, and people kind of don't like that. But fortunately, you can get a lot of help. So if you head over to themasterplanaffiliates.com, this is our blog. It will probably change appearance because we're just kind of setting it up. So we've got, homepage, you've got blog, and we've got a couple of pages in there at the minute. But if you look down in the sidebar here, look, we've got the Power Lead system. This is the best done for you option out there at the minute, in my opinion. Okay, just in my opinion. The reason being that it has AI assistance and then it also has human assistance. So how it works with this is you can literally be set up in, well, I mean, let's say less than 10 minutes, right? If you're totally new, clueless, don't know anything about it, you can just follow along with the fast start video. You could be set up with a lead capture page so people can enter their email and then get email follow-ups to build the know, like, and trust and build a relationship with them. Or they go to the sales page. Now, normally people will have questions. This system has AI built into it that can actually talk to somebody, right? It can actually interact like I'm talking to you now. You could answer me back. That has that with the AI. So the AI will answer all the questions for me or for you, which even though I don't mind talking to people, I don't have the time to talk to people, right? So it's a great solution. Also, then though, some people they're a bit weary, oh, I don't know, I want to speak to somebody. The actual owner of the business is quite happy to get on the phone with people as well. So if you're looking for done for you, go to themasterplanaffiliates.com, click that link, take a look around that one. But the one I want to show you today is the Home Business Academy on this video, not today, this video. So the Home Business Academy is the whole thing that you need to promote any business online. It could be a bricks and mortar business, could be a network marketing business you're in, could be an affiliate marketing business. And that's the idea of it. And the two guys that run it kind of got sick of all the hype and everything that goes on online. And sometimes the blatant lies out there. Me and Eric, we only pick really good programs. But it's very easy to fall into the trap, and I could list a load of programs that have come and gone over the years. Well, this has been around since, what was the date? 2016. So this has been around since 2016. The Power Lead system, the other one I showed you, has been around over 10 years. So probably about 2014, that one. So first of all, they're good programs. They're very stable. They've been around a long time. Now, Paul and Mike, who run this, are both seven-figure earners in their own right before they set this up, right? So they know how to build a business online. So they have, first of all, you have a Let's Goal app. And that is to keep you on track, to keep you on target, and basically tell you hit your goals. It's got motivation. You can have affirmations in there. It also allows you to give like tasks that you want to do at the start of your day and stuff. It has a funnel builder academy. If you're brand new, basically a sales funnel is a series of web pages where people start at the beginning and it guides them through a process to capture their email, send them follow up, and show them the right pages to hopefully make a sale. That is only $25 a month for unlimited pages, unlimited funnels. Really, really good. Then I'm going to talk to you today more about the premium. Okay, I'm not going to talk about this one. This is if you're in the States, this can help you save money on your taxes and everything. It's a slightly bigger investment. So I want to cover that today. I want to talk about the live coaching that comes with premium. So these two are kind of linked. And I want to talk about the affiliate thing. So first of all, if you're just here because you saw you can get an affiliate marketing course for $1, come here to affiliate, come down here to the bonus vault, okay, and go here, affiliate marketing domination. Now, you can keep these even if you don't stay after your 7-day trial. So basically for a $1, right, they're doing it obviously because most people will stay and they'll pay. I'll be honest with you, it's $125 a month, but people stay and they stay with this program a long time for the reasons that you'll discover. But if you just well, politely, if you're a cheapskate like I am sometimes, and you just kind of want to get, your hands on that course, make sure you got a few days clear, go and pay you $1 and go through the affiliate marketing domination course, because this is everything that you need to learn how to build a business online. First steps, what to do to prepare your audience, a bridging process, how to create your bonus offer, and all the way through the offers like, where to go to do these sort of things, how to get buyer traffic and stuff. So if you want to know how to get traffic to your course, it will direct you, not to your course, to your pages. It will direct you then, and this is why it's tied up with the $1 trial, because it's telling you need to go and get traffic. Well, a great way of doing that is ranking on YouTube. So how do you learn how to rank on YouTube? Well, if you come to premium traffic and conversions, you can come to get ready traffic free. And look, YouTube ranking, short form video lead generation, easy button YouTube strategy. So it kind of gives you the framework. It explains how this online business works, this online business industry, how it all works and how it all fits together. And then you've got the tools that you need, the training that you need to go and make that happen. Right now, I've been involved in business a long time online, and I'll tell you what happens to me. People come in, they get excited, they might or may not watch a training. A lot of people haven't got time to watch trainings, don't want to watch trainings, they just want to make money. If that's you, head back to that power lead system that I showed you at the masterplanaffiliates.com in the sidebar. If that's you, go there. If you're still with me, you're obviously the sort of person that wants to really crack it, really understand it, really wants to go and promote any other business that they want, right? Like me. So you've got what to do before you send traffic. You've got how to get free traffic. You've got how to get paid traffic. Okay, how to help convert that traffic into sales, including they even give you email promo conversions code. They give you that, but also in the affiliate section here, if you come to the bonus vault, look, they actually give you 3 magic emails. And where are we? We are giving. I think they actually give you a ton of emails. It was more obvious before. Maybe they've just moved that. Oh, yeah, you go. Look, 111 little black book of emails. That's what I was looking for. So they actually give you a ton of emails you can just go and use. On that front, by the way, AI is very popular now, and their system has AI built in. The funnel builder has AI built right into it. Now then, so let's suppose you come on board and you're an affiliate and you want to get going. They have a fast start training and they tell you what to do. You can come in here, look, scripts and other resources. So there's a chat script, what questions that people sort of ask, a simple way of asking them if they're interested, basically. Social media posts that you can use, emails you can send to people, to get you going fast, just to try and get the ball rolling and get stuff going. But really this affiliate marketing domination course, guys, I'm telling you, it's really, I'm not just saying it is really good, and you can get it for $1. Now also then you will automatically become an affiliate and it pays 80% commissions. What does that mean? Well, if we come and we look at the pages on Business Academy review, so these are the individual products, okay? If you have somebody that only takes the premium, for example, because they want the live coaching, which I'll show you in a second, 10 customers pays $1,000 a month. But if they also have the funnel builder, which a lot do, And they also have the Let's Go app, which is only $10 a month. Not everybody takes it, but you know, enough do. But in theory, that those 10 customers could be worth $1,280 a month. You know, 50 customers, look, is $5,000 a month on that. Could be as high as $6,400. And this is one reason why this works so well. If you look at a network marketing program, the people that tend to do well are the ones that go and do the work and try and recruit a ton of people and get a lot of people in. Okay, but because the commissions have to be spread amongst a lot of people in that network marketing deal, you know, I had a team of 500 people. Well, actually, I'll tell a lie. I had a team altogether of over like 2,000 people. It was like you got to like 2,400 people in a network marketing business, and I was making $10,000 a month. Here, I could have done that with 100 people because they pay the 80% commissions and they don't have any pass ups. They don't have any, you know, it goes down so many levels or anything like that. You get completely rewarded on your own efforts and they teach you how to do it. Why does it work? Because a lot of people that are in other programs want this information. They want the support, which I'll come on to in a sec. They want this kind of stuff to help them promote. Now, unfortunately, what happens sometimes is some people will come because they want to promote, you know, business XYZ, but the compensation plan here with the Home Business Academy means that they might end up promoting the Home Business Academy more than they promote the other company because the the rewards are often greater. But you do both. I always say, why not do both? Right. So that's the compensation plan. You can see, look, you know, just 10 customers can be quite a tidy sum. Compare that to what you're doing anyway, and you'll you know if it's any good for you or not. So if we come like this is where you log in. Let me go. There we go. So as you can see, like I've got $988 payable at the minute. I've earned $57,779 with this. Okay, and if we ignore that because they changed platform, so it screwed that up for me, but it does convert pretty well. And then you come down here, look, you've got your marketing materials, and you've got loads of different ways to attract people into coming and checking it out. I like to use the $1 trial because I think that's pretty fair. I'm only asking people to risk $1 and they can see everything they get. Right. So before we head off, look, live coaching. A lot of people, they get stuck. And what happens is people join, they get all excited, and then they start getting questions. They're not sure about something. So they go to their sponsor for help. Now, the problem is if I can be a good sponsor, right? Now, I only need 2 customers to be in profit with this because it pays 80% commissions. 1 customer pays 80% of what I'm paying out, but 2 referrals and I'm in profit. But I don't want to do that. I tend to go and refer more people. So then what happens is people start getting questions. Well, I'm not sure about this. I'm not sure about that. And quite a few businesses that I've been involved in over a long time, because I tend not to do a lot, but a lot of businesses, I tend to stay pretty faithful to where I am. And I only pick companies that have been around a while. But what happens is the time I get to run my own business and do my own marketing and my own promotions diminishes the more I try and help people. And of course, I can't be there all the time. There's time zone differences. And sometimes, you know, I like to eat, I like to sleep, and it sucks. When I found Home Business Academy, it was a complete game changer. For the reason is that Paul and Mike, they take one for the team, as it were. So if you are in the premium member, look, you get every Monday night. It's called What's Working Now, right? It's only 1 week is dedicated to the funnel builder, but every other week in the month, it's crazy because a lot of times people say, "Oh, I'm not making any money online. I wish I could make money online." So what they do on the Monday night is they get somebody who's made sales that week, and they get them to come on and tell people how they made sales. And you will often see like new people come on and go, I said no to this because what can I teach people? I'm new. I don't I you know I just did what it said and I made some sales, but I'm not an expert at all. I don't know what I'm doing really. And they always say, well, that's the point. That's probably more valuable than having somebody like me who's been online a long time. It's probably more valuable because it's more relatable. And wouldn't you like to know how newbies make sales? But you also get that all the way up to like 7-figure earners sharing what they're doing. So that is a very, very, really good resource. What's working now? So if you're not making money, but you want to know what works, I get asked all the time, how do I make money online? You go to this, you get $1 trial, you can go and look, right? Then they also do a daily traffic and conversions, Monday to Friday. This is Saturday is like a beginner's one, but you can still go on. But this is, you actually get to watch people do marketing. Now, sometimes they're boring as hell, right? But the reason why it's good is you actually see what marketing is. You actually see people do marketing. I'll give you a tip, watch them on replay, watch the recordings. You can skim through, right? But also if you have a burning question, you can go live and you can ask. So look, you've got Sage down here, which is the AI thing that will point you to the right page, right? You can get every day live at 11 a.m. EST. You can get on a Monday at 8 p.m. EST. Okay, but they also have a very, very, very good Facebook group that you access when you join. And the Facebook group is really supportive. They call themselves Freedom Crusaders. So, in a nutshell, why do I like it? I can let you try it for $1. You may or may not want to stay. Even if you don't want to stay, you can keep the bonus. So you get this fantastic course for $1. If you do want to stay, I know you're taken care of because they do so many lives, right? And I know that that's probably important to you when you're referring things, okay? So you know your customers are taken care of, so you don't have to do it. I also know that you can use it to build any other business online. You can use the funnel builder to make pages for anything you're promoting. They have templates. It's very easy to do. There is a bit more setup to get your email and everything connected, but they guide you through that. And guess what? If you get stuck, you can ask in the Facebook group, you can ask Sage down here, or you can get on a live. You've got 3 ways you can get support. There's no reason for anybody to struggle with this, right? And they will help you as well. As will I. But like I said, you might be in Australia, I'm in the UK, we're at the opposite ends of the day, aren't we? It's very difficult. I also know you will have all the resources you need, right? All the resources you need to be able to go and build a business online. So for me, it's kind of like everything combined in one, and this is why this is a popular program. So with that said, look, go and click the button, masterplanaffiliates.com. Go and give it a try for $1. Check out the course. And if you're not interested in that, if you just want it done for you, if you've listened to me and you go, it sounds like a lot, then you definitely need to go and check out the Power Lead system here. All right, that is the complete done for you. You can go and speak to the AI and have a chat with it. We got the best of both worlds. All right. I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.